Boy, I am excited to show you something in Hochatown that we don't get too often. So this here is Fish and Bear Lodge. It sits on 2 acres. It's behind the Grateful Head Pizza place. Y'all know where that is. We're talking right center of Hochatown. The cool thing about this is not only are you getting a gorgeous traditional cabin that's well loved, and we've got these huge, gigantic, mature pine trees that have not been modified or planted for quick calling over like some of the subdivisions. Got a few little speckled in hardwoods, but what I really want to show you is this lot right here is unique, something you're not going to find out here. This 2 acres has already been subdivided and it is permitted for the subdivision, and in the covenants you can build a little honeymoon cabin right over here. So this 1.49 acres stays with the big cabin, and 0.58 acres is right over here. There's already a deeded easement down this portion of the driveway, and the current circle drive stays with the big cabin. It is a great opportunity for you to own a wonderful traditional lodge cabin and build a little cute honeymooner right next door. Walkable to restaurants such as the Blue Rooster. You've got Hochatown right over here behind us. You've got Grateful Head, and of course, Girls Gone Wine. A weekend in Hochatown awaits you.